Yesterday evening, Bitcoin pumped towards the upside and hit my exact take profit target, and after that, it has seen a significant correction towards the downside. And on today's update video, I will talking about what is going to be my next trade here, where will I be opening up my next trade, and more importantly, what is the current resistance we should be looking at, what is the current biggest support below us, and many more important stuff, because I will be once again, of course, talk about the liquidity in the market, because the liquidity is what moves Bitcoin, and I'm gonna go in depth about it. So right now I will go in depth about all the things that are currently playing out. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap on that like button on today's update video. Let's smash it back above 400 likes. That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. On that imminent short term, Bitcoin of course has been pumping towards the upside over the course of a Saturday, so we are in fact creating a small little CME gap. However, if we're looking at this Bitcoin move here, it really got started once Bitcoin started to be breaking above this very important level of resistance, right? So we got rejected by this level for 3 times in a row, and the point we broke above it, I tweeted about this as well. This is going to be the level that's going to be the next big support for Bitcoin. It touched that level, and after that, it bounced back towards the upside, and right now is sitting around 39.4k. And honestly, if you're looking at the 4-hourly time frame, Bitcoin is literally going exponential right now here. I already discussed this in yesterday's video, but you can see that the lows are getting more and more exponential, together with the highs also getting more and more exponential. And the reason why this is happening is due to the fact that, of course, the majority of the liquidity was laying above us, and also due to the fact that the sentiment is that the Bitcoin BlackRock Spot ETF is going to get accepted in the coming 30 to 35 days. So why would you sell your Bitcoin right now, days before the acceptance of the Bitcoin Spot ETF? And that is also the reason why Bitcoin just keeps on printing higher lows, because if no one is selling, Bitcoin will just keep going higher. But right now, I've got a very important take here on the liquidity heat map. We took out all the liquidity on the upside, just like I've been predicting and just like I've been saying that we were going to be doing. But right now, the majority of the liquidity is not laying above us anymore. No, it's laying below us. So you can see also currently that the funding rate is turning positive, what means that people are actually all longing this move on Bitcoin right now here. Together with the fact that the majority of the liquidity is laying below us, I do see some risks on buying Bitcoin long right now. So this is going to be very important for my next trade, and this is also the reason why I took full take profit on the target 39.7k. First of all, 39.7k is a massive level of resistance, but also there is some risks on holding long positions open right now. So what I do want to be doing right here is, of course, look at my next entry. I mean, Bitcoin broke out of the symmetrical triangle and exactly hit our target. That is beautiful. What we should be looking about what is going to be happening next. There are some signs that the momentum is drying up on the daily time frame. Honestly, I will be keeping my eyes wide open, of course, on the parabolic trend that we're currently in. And honestly, the sentiment is so strong that I do really think that this Bitcoin parabolic move could still continue. So what I will be doing is, of course, look for long positions, but on a move towards the downside. So the big levels that I'm currently looking for is actually this level right here, the $38,000 level. It is definitely a little bit lower than we're currently trading at, but this is going to be a level where I will be definitely interested to open up a new long position. But guys, honestly, I think we need to be a little bit more relaxed. So what I want to be doing here, of course, with my next trade I'm going to be opening, I want to be having a winning trade. So I need to take some time to get the best opportunity in the market. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now with that bell notification enabled, because yes, I do see new opportunities coming, but I just have to let the market come to us, and I don't want to chase the market itself. So if you're interested in trading yourself, make sure to go to the link description of today's video, because if you sign up an account using that link below here on BYBIT, you could claim a deposit bonus up to $40,000 where you can trade with. And without this link, if you go directly towards the website, it's only $400. So it's a win-win situation. And on top of that, we're giving away a free $1,000 trade. And all you need to do here is sign up an account using that link below. Complete KYC, deposit $100 in your first 7 days of registering, and you could be claiming that insane airdrop position. Currently, only 95% is available. You could claim it on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Pepe, whatever you prefer. I mean, honestly, you could claim it on Ethereum because Ethereum has been also going nuts recently. But if you can't use BYBIT, make sure to check out Fimex. in the link description. No KYC, no restrictions, and basically Fimex is the KYC BYBIT version. So definitely my second option I will be looking at as well. Further on, we can see that Bitcoin exactly hit my resistance target, and I talked about this level for quite a while, right? So 39.7k was that previous drop-off point. So I think like there are two important levels. It's of course the drop-off point on the lower side and the drop-off point on the top side. And honestly, Bitcoin is currently exactly, first of all, getting rejected by that level on the lower side, but now so also on the top side. And I said this several times before, the big resistance is not going to be $40,000. No, it's going to be 39.7. So still going to be looking at this level, and this is probably going to be quite a tough level. So actually, I have been opening up a small little short position on 39.7k on one of my other trading accounts. My stop loss is a little bit above 39.850, and honestly, I think there is some profits to be making right here, since yeah, the liquidity is not really laying anymore on the top side and the funding rate is becoming positive. I don't want to be bearish or whatsoever, but this is just what I'm doing for trading. Honestly, this is just what the charts and all the data is telling me. So yeah, going further in towards it, I am still super bullish about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is right now creating 7 weekly green candles in a row, and the last time I did it, it was in the beginning of the previous bull market. What is of course absolutely insane. Going further in towards that, honestly, if this gets confirmed, it could literally confirm the bull market, but just like I said several times before, make sure to keep your focus on where we are currently in the cycle, because honestly, if we're looking at the data, I don't think that we're in the bull market yet, because we still have to have the halving, and usually Bitcoin tends to see a big correction around that halving period in the market. So I'm going to be looking forward towards it, because that will be one of the biggest opportunities we're probably going to have to open up massive swing trade positions here on the market. Then I just want to be talking about Ethereum as well a little bit here, because Ethereum is currently trying to be breaking above this very critical level of resistance. And honestly, if Ethereum can confirm the breakup of this level right here, it could be getting followed by massive short liquidations, and that could really send Ethereum up to new highs here. Honestly, the next resistance is probably going to be the drop-off point right here, sitting around $2,500. What is going to be like a what is it, like 20% increasement towards the upside? Yeah, it's like an 18% move towards the upside, what is already massive. So yeah, that's going to be the target I'm going to be looking for on Ethereum. But honestly, the pattern is looking quite strong here. Consolidation has been very nice, and I won't be surprised that we are indeed going to get that move towards the upside. Guys, it's weekend, so be careful with trading Bitcoin. I'm super excited about Bitcoin. I really think it's going to go to 100 to 200,000 US dollars in the coming 12 to 16 months here. But honestly, right now, on the exact aim at the short term, I should be a little bit careful. My take profit target is hit, and like you can see here on the sell order, I exactly sold the high. I exactly sold it on this level right here, the 39,700. This level right here is where I sold my trade here, and that was exactly on the wick towards the upside. You can see literally my profits I made here, more than 20,000 US dollars, and the next trade is going to be there soon, but we need to be a little bit calm right now. So thanks so much for watching towards this amazing new update video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.